here at the edge of the trading floor. Joining us right now live from Chicago with the CME Group, Oliver Sloup, Blue Line Futures. Oliver, brand new week here, but this is the week we've got the world supply and demand estimate. What are you hearing from the trade floor this morning about that?
Well, there's not a whole lot going on as far as participation goes. You can see that especially in the corn market, basically lingering about where we started last week's trade. I think you've got a lot of folks and market participants maybe sitting on their hands waiting until we get that new news to cross the wires, as you had mentioned. That's going to come in the form of a USDA report. I think the bears have a little bit of an advantage here, but we're right up against technical resistance for both corn and soybeans. If we can get a more friendly report than expected, potentially we get a closeout above resistance and see some short covering from the funds. Now, for December corn, 370 is a big line in the sand. This is a breakdown point from, I believe, August 22nd, as well as the 50-day moving average. Consecutive closes out above here could spur that short covering. Funds right now short about 70 to 80,000 contracts, so that could potentially spark something there. As far as soybeans go, obviously 850, a big psychologically significant round number, but really up to 855 is big resistance. The bears remain in control, but again, if we get a more friendly report than expected, potentially see some short covering. Funds short about 70,000 contracts right now. I'd like to be a little bit more optimistic longer term, but we're going to need to see some positive news hit the wires here this Wednesday.